Hello, this is Chris, back again with another video. This is Ian. Say hi, Ian. Anyway, this is part 2 for the Hamlet 3D printer. I just fixed the fan, everything was fine, but the extruder on it is an old extruder, and I did clean it out with the blowtorch and everything, but I just thought, you know, just to have a clean slate and get another extruder. Ordered it on Amazon. It's the original extruder. I didn't like update it or anything, and so we'll be replacing that. And I also had some problems with some slippage. Many of the products were just like falling over, or it was just sliding all over the place sometimes. And I thought that was a calibration issue, so I calibrated the heating bed and everything, but still that didn't fix it. I tried glue sticks, and the purple kind, I guess, is the best. I tried hairspray, I tried nail polish remover, but that just wasn't working. And so I ordered another heating bed. Again, it was very cheap. It was about 20 bucks. Ordered it on Amazon, and I realized that I just needed to unplug the holes, but there's like thousands of holes to unplug on the old one, and I am keeping it, and I do plan to clean it out, but not now. So a couple fixes, and we're off. Well, first up, I can replace that. That's easy. So I can just clip this down, and we can see how stickier it is compared to the other one that I had, where basically I've tried everything through. I basically threw the chicken. Oh fuck! I didn't want to say that. All right, so let's open this package up. See what we got. Actually, okay. So right here we have the. Let's see. I have the heating shield, I guess, and the brand new extruder. Okay, so I got that. Put that to the side here. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, so that's the other part that I was talking about that goes. This is where the extruder goes, right here. You just screw it onto this part right here, and the plastic gets funneled in through here, I believe. Yes. Okay. Alright, so let's take everything out and see what we got in there. I will be, I can't see now. I'm going to remove this screw right here so I can replace this part. Okay, so this is the part that I'm going to be replacing. I want to make sure this one's ready, lined up, so that's probably, I think it's going to go. I also want to put the extruder on before I replace it. So all I'm doing is just screwing it on. Okay, and that's all I do. Okay. Alright. And then this is going to be the part. Can I see? Okay. Can you see that? Alright, so this part is part of the heat sink. So I'm going to try to put the heat sink on that too. And I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so here is that screw. Okay. to drop it. Alright, so just a little screw right there. Okay. Another screw somewhere. Okay, just put this to the side. Like so. Okay. So let me show you now. Alright, so this is what I am replacing right now. All of this. So this part on the bottom, right? And I'm still going to keep it, but just is a bit gunked up right now, so I'm probably going to be using a blowtorch or something like that to get that off. Okay, let me get on that. Okay. Well, let me show you where the heat sink is. Alright, so how the heat sink hooks up is right there, right where this finger is right here. That's where it is. And now I'll be putting that in there. So hopefully it all works in the end. Okay. So right here is the heatsink that's going to go into this part right there. Sorry, I'm using my phone to kind of see what you can see. So yeah, it's going to be going into that part right there. And I've just installed the extruder and everything, and it's going to go into that slot right there. Okay? Alright, so here. And if I can just find the screwdriver, that would be good. My screwdriver's between my legs, as it should be. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh. Okay, get in there. Yes, I felt a hole. Oh, man. It's in. Washer on. Sticker on. Screwdriver. So hopefully it all works now. Okay. Looks like everything's in there fairly well. Where's the little knobber? The knobby is here. Okay. Alright, so feedstock. Load. Okay, so it is getting closer, and you can hear the fan that it got kicked on. So that's good. So things seem to be working. And the temperature is going up. So that's a good thing. If it wasn't, then you know it's not hooked up correctly. Let's hope. And the heat bed seems to be getting hotter. But I think I need to reset it. Okay, it is doing it. It is doing it. Starting to make noises. So here's our first test print with the new extruder. So I'm going to do another test print. I'm going to test and print an incense holder. Pretty simple. Right now I need to feed the filament inside the extruder. So I'm doing that. I got some time there. And I got this through Thingiverse. All done. Right? It was 3 hours and 57 minutes. 4 hours for this thing. Here we go. Let's check her out. Okay, so there's some goobers and things that I have to clean up, but let's see if it comes off. Okay. So I took her off with this little scraper. Now for the cleaning process. But anyway, it did pretty good. And I'll be cleaning off the extruder once I'm done with this.